Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to Ankinish Creations. Today we will be making this sunset landscape silhouette bookmarks. So let's get started. I'm using this watercolor paper for making bookmarks, but they work very good with acrylic paints as well. First we will apply a layer of water on the paper so that हमारे colors बहुत easily spread होंगे. Now let's start the shading of our sunset landscape. Going in with yellow color first. I'm using acrylic paints here, but you can use watercolors as well. Now comes in the orange paint, and I'll try mixing it with yellow color to make a gradient effect of sunset. And finally the red color comes in. I will color the rest of the part of paper with red for now, but बाद में हम जब silhouette effect की painting करेंगे तो काफी red portion will be painted in black, तो उतना ज़्यादा red नहीं दिखेगा. I love to make landscape paintings, especially the silhouette ones. I have a tote bag painted in sunset landscape. I will link that video in the description box below and also at the end of this video. Do check it out. It's very good. I really like it. Now when our sunset landscape base is ready, we'll let it dry and then हम इस paper को remove करेंगे. And then on the back side, I'm marking every 4 centimeters. I think 4 centimeters should be enough for a bookmark. So I get 6 bookmarks from this sheet. मैंने ऐसे same bookmarks पहले बनाए थे and I have shared on my Instagram. I have placed those bookmarks in my exhibitions and लोगों को बहुत पसंद आए थे. So I have to make more. So I thought this time चलो video भी बनाते हैं. So first we will make this cactus silhouette. It's very simple and very easy to make, like I'm doing here. Next we'll make this swing on tree silhouette. For this I'll add little bit more red shading in the sky. And then we'll start with the silhouette. Next we will make this cute love cat silhouette. Fourth one we are making is this bird silhouette. I love this. Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. one we will be making is night lamp bookmark. इस बुकमार्क में यहाँ तक तो सब मस्त लग रहा था, बट आई थिंक मैंने लेफ्ट साइड पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा ऐड कर दिया. लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो हाउ डू यू लाइक इट. द लास्ट वन वी आर मेकिंग इज दिस सिंपल ट्रीज बुकमार्क. सो इसमें जब मैं लीव्स ऐड करने वाली थी, आई डिडंट न्यू कि ब्रश थोड़ा सा गीला है. मतलब मैंने सुखाया था बट थोड़ा वेट रह गया था, तो उस वजह से अपने आप ही बहुत सुंदर इफेक्ट आया था. मैं आई नॉट बी लाइंग टू यू ऑल, ये बिल्कुल प्लान नहीं था, मैंने कुछ और सोचा था, बट क्योंकि ब्रश थोड़ा सा गीला था तो वो वाटर इफेक्ट आया. एंड आई थिंक दिस टर्न्ड आउट रियली क्यूट. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? एंड दिस इज हाउ आवर लास्ट एंड फाइनल बुकमार्क लुक्स लाइक. Now we'll lay them all flat and we'll keep some weight on top ताकि थोड़ा शेप में आ जाए अगर थोड़ा सा भी ऊपर नीचे हो तो. After some time we'll remove the weight from it and then we will punch a hole in the bookmarks and we'll add a jute twine to kind of make it like a perfect bookmark. Now our bookmarks are all ready. I love making bookmarks and I love doing silhouette paintings. Let me know in the comment section below how do you like this video. Hit that like button if you like it and subscribe if you haven't already. I love making art and craft videos. And yeah, share this video with your friends and bye. Love being creative.